big for Daddy. That's for Daddy.
Yep, that's Daddy's.
That I use this bed.
Is that Mommy's spot?
No.
Yeah. What's
This
that?
is my spot.
Oh, your spot?
Yeah.
Is the hippo sleeping?
No.
What's it doing?
Peace. Sorry.
Scott, sorry?
No.
Who's sorry?
Mommy, sorry.
Is Alexa sorry?
Yep.
Why? Why are you sorry? What's your hippo doing? Is she sleeping?
No. She's not sleeping.
What's she doing?
Daddy, you're so silly. Daddy, you said. No finger, Mommy. Don't pick at your sis. Can you go? Don't.
You're gonna get changed?
No.
Let's go get our jammies on. Okay.
No, I keep them.
Well, let's go get your jammies on and put you in bed.
Mommy can hold you.
No, Daddy's gonna hold you.
Mommy can hold you. Mommy can hold you. Mommy can hold you.
Daddy's gonna hold you tonight.
No, Mommy can hold you tonight. Mommy can hold you tonight.
Mommy has to work.
No.
Yes.